Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some Sanrio hats on dress room press that you can make. So the first one I'll be doing is Croppy. Let's just select this hat. You can either toggle to the first or second one. I'll toggle to the first one. And obviously select the green one. I'm just going to make it a little bit lighter, like pastel green. Like that maybe. Yeah, that's good. And then you're going to need these two items from codes. So I'm just going to get it real quick. So go to codes, and first you'll need this one. Color the outside white and, this one white and this one black. And then you're also going to need the other hat, which is this one. Toggle it to the second version. And then color the first one the same green. Hopefully this is the same green. Hello, why am I lagging so much? Oh, there we go. And then you're going to color this one black. Like that. That's the first one. That's the Karopi hat. And then for the My Melody hat, you do need this hat from VIP. Where is it? Hello? Hello, where's the hat at? Oh, here it is. And you're going to want to color it pink. I'll just color it this pink. And then we're going to need the bunny ears, of course. I'm also going to color it all pink like this. And then we will need the flower. I'm going to color the outside white and the inside part yellow. Like so. And this is the cutesy My Melody hat. Maybe make the pink a little bit darker, but I like this color a little bit better. Lastly, we have the cinnamon roll hat. It requires more stuff, so we will need this beanie, no ears, and color it white. We will also need the rabbit's ears. Can't talk properly. Then we'll also need this one. Toggle it to on head. Color the inside white and the outside part black. Then we will need the bows for the cutesy little cheek. And I think we're gonna have to toggle it to the type 3 one. And then use these glasses and do above head. And then you're going to color it blue. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any more Sanrio hat hacks, just comment on the obviously comment section down below what ideas you have. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.